So I'm gonna start with the first pack of the offshot. So first, okay. Oh, Kanata. Oh, somehow I always get Kanata in the first pack. Okay, Kanata and Ritsu. Oh my god! Oh my god! Okay, this was a very pleasant surprise. I have really good luck today. Oh my god, my heart. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Wait, let me move it a bit. Yes. Oh, I have really good luck today. I'm sorry for screaming so much. Seriously, I wasn't expecting this. So next is Ivara. Mika. Kaoru. Next pack. Wow, Arashi. Tsumugi. And Shu. Oh, so I got all of Valkyrie already. So next pack. Mitsuru. Shinobu. And Koga. Tsukasa. Yuta. Or is it Hinata? I forgot. Wait. Let me think. This is Hinata. Yes, Hinata. And this is Yuzu. Yay. I really like Yuzu's Gengar. Oh my god, it's so hot. And next, Midori. Adonis, or okay. Subaru, so cute. Where? Oh my god. Subaru. Okay, next, Mama. So it's Soma. Where? Oh. Also got Eve. Wait, what? Wait. Yusetai Knights. Oh. This is why. That's why. Oh. So here. Sorry. Okay. Oh my god. Okay. So the next pack. It's Yuta. June. Finally got June. Whoa. And then... Oh, I got Chiaki's signed version. So the next packet. Oh my god, Izumi. Hajime. Where is it? Rabbit's here. And then Wataru. Oh, here. I'm trying to... Sorry for adjusting. All of a sudden, I just want all of them to show. I think I'm showing everyone. Yes. So the last pack of the first box. Heisha. Nagisa. Tetora. And Mao. Oh yeah, I can do that. Why am I being so thumb. Okay, let me cut this first. Sorry. So going on to the next box. Hi. Ibara. Again. Adonis. Again. Oh, I got first H I got. Yay. He looks super adorable in that card. Sora. Mitsuru. I think I already got him. And then another Tetora. Can you guys please come more consistently? Makoto. Did I get him? I think I did. Okay, sorry. They did not die. So it's Makoto. I think it's the first copy of him. Yes, it is. Okay, and then Natsume. First Natsume. Oh, I finally got Torio. Didn't get him from in Idol. Okay. Oh, Ray. Finally got Ray. I have such bad luck with Ray. Shinobu. I think I got him. Oh, Hinata. Oh my god. I think Hinata's signature is like super cute. Okay. Okay. Next pack. Ha! Kuro. Yay! Another Hokuto. Where? Oh, I'm worried. I don't have the O's off yet. So it's Arashi. Calm down. Ha! Yuta. Tomoya. Oh, I'm just like getting so nervous right now. Oh my god. Okay. So it's Mika. Oh my god, please. Leo, come home. Vacuum! Kato. Suo. And Chiaki. Another June. Hajime. Oh, Kanata. Bling bling. Okay. I think that's all the signed version I got. Okay. Ha! So it's Nazuna. Finally. Thank you, Leo. Thank you. I finally came home. Thank you, Leo. Okay. And Mama. Okay, the last pack. Ha! Mao. Koga. Whoa! Oh, I'm sorry. There was some technical difficulties. Okay, so last one is Koga and Yuzuru. So let's get another overview of what I got. So for Mama, I got two Madaras. Okay, so 2. All of Eve. All of Trickstar. And Ryuseitai got Chiaki, Shinobu, Tetora, Midori. Yes, and Kanata. I got all of them. For knights, I got Leo, Suo, Tsukasa, Arashi, Izumi, and Ritsu. And for Adam, I got all of them. I got Nagisa and Ibara. For Valkyrie, I got both of them too. Sue and Mika. So I got Koga, Rei, Adonis, and Kaoru. Got all of them. So I got all three. Oh, it's a perfect set. Like for the idol, I also got one of each, so it's like a perfect set. Indeed magicians, so I got all of them too. So Nazuna, Hajime, Tomoya, and Mitsuru. And then all of Akatsuki. Bakyung! Bakyung! Okay, I got both Hinata and Yuta. So I got all of Fine too. Sorry for not showing this too well. My camera's kind of low today. Actually, I'm using my phone. Okay, so I'll show you my signed version right now. So for signed versions, I got Hoke, Chiaki, Hinata, Kanata. Oh, that rhymes. And Ryo, Keito, Mika, Tsukasa. Okay, so that summarizes my video. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm sorry for like everything, like every little mistakes I made. Everyone makes mistakes. Thank you and goodbye.